We have glory in our life, we are satisfied. Even though we have nothing, we are satisfied. We have glory in our life, we are satisfied.